If you've ever created something meaningful and then felt discouraged because the numbers didn't reflect it, this video is for you. Because true content success goes far beyond likes, views, and shares. Ciao, y'all. I'm Kiara, content marketer, strategist, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs build intentional AI-powered content strategies that support sustainable growth and creative fulfillment. Today, I want to talk about a side of content marketing that doesn't get enough attention: how to measure success in ways that actually matter. When we pour our hearts into content, writing, designing, filming, it's easy to get pulled into the numbers: likes, shares, comments, views. And while metrics can be helpful, they can also be misleading. A post can perform well and still attract the wrong audience. Another can barely get traction yet spark a meaningful conversation that changes someone's perspective. So today, I want to offer a different lens for measuring success, especially as a creative entrepreneur. The first real indicator of content success is consistency, not perfection, not virality, consistency. Showing up regularly with valuable intentional content builds trust. Your audience begins to recognize your presence, your values, your voice. Over time, this reliability turns casual followers into a loyal community, and that's far more powerful than a spike in views. Besides, consistency is a sign of your active presence on your go-to platform, which helps algorithms push your feed and content in front of more people in your niche. The second metric to consider is purpose. Every single piece of content you create should have a clear reason behind it. Ask yourself, is this meant to educate, inspire, entertain, or start a conversation? Purpose-driven content resonates more deeply because people feel the intention behind it. It signals that you're not creating content just to feed an algorithm, but to genuinely serve your audience with thoughtful solutions. Metric number 3, retention and relationships. This is the one most people forget, honestly. The real magic of content lives in relationships, not reach. Thoughtful comments, private messages, repeat clients, ongoing collaborations. Direct conversations are often more impactful than hundreds of likes because they're rooted in trust, not scrolling behavior. They're a precious opportunity to get to know your audience, understand their needs, offer direct help, and get remembered. Building relationships takes time and discipline, but it's what helped me grow an Instagram community of loyal followers genuinely interested in my work in roughly 90 days. So, how do you track these intangible forms of success? Start here. Look at the quality of your engagement, not just the quantity. Notice recurring names, conversations, and connections. Pay attention to how your community grows over time, not overnight. And don't forget to check in with yourself. Does your content still feel aligned with your values? Do you feel proud of what you're putting into the world? Are you offering the support and guidance your people need? Personal fulfillment is a metric too, and a powerful one, so don't overlook it. Before wrapping things up, remember this: true content success isn't just about numbers. It's about the impact you make, the trust you build, and the purpose that drives your work forward. When you start measuring success holistically, content creation becomes lighter, more meaningful, and more sustainable. And if marketing has started to feel heavy or discouraging lately, download my free guide, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's designed to help you simplify your brand strategy and create content that actually supports your energy. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Museum Creative for more tips and guidelines like this. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope it inspired you to up your marketing game, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!